Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn some useful words for when you're at a restaurant. Menu. Menu. Can I see the menu, please? Order. Order. I would like to order a salad. Recommend. Recommend. What do you recommend? Reservation. Reservation. I have a reservation for 2. Bill. Bill. I'm ready for my bill. Eat out. Eat out. We like to eat out on weekends. Waiter. Waiter. The waiter was very friendly. Tip. Tip. Don't forget to leave a tip for the waiter. Fast food. Fast food. Fast food is very popular. Special. Special. What is the special today? Take away. Take away. Would you like to eat here or take away? Serve. Serve. They serve food to the homeless. Drink. Drink. What would you like to drink? Toothpick. Toothpick. May I get a toothpick, please? Vegetarian. Vegetarian. I am a vegetarian. Fork. Fork. Could you bring me a fork, please? Chef. Chef. I want to thank the chef for the amazing food. Knife. Knife. Please pass me the knife. Thanks for watching.